Okay, okay. This is our third video, suctioning, because her breath is not normal. He has asthma. She has asthma. Inhale. Ginawa daw? Oh, he had asthma. Her breathing is not normal, so we need to suction her tube. The suction machine is on, and the tube is here, and we have water to rinse the tube, suction tape after suctioning. And here, this is our camera girdle. This is me. Okay. Tara, tara. Tara. Andun ka na. Video asa-asa ba pwede cameraman eh kulit dua kamot jadi camera girl nih ada nih mah ada tissue. We need to clean the tube because we rinse it with water so the water can be able to get inside her body. Susud ginawa. Oh, too many saliva. Oh, sa ila. Tanaw ba? Be, tira be. Ginawa. Relax be. Ay, taro ka ba? Ginawa para maabri. Para masulod. Apa